So how to use a quick release plate on your gimbal, tripod, or any other gear, and how to switch between to make your workflow super smooth. Let's jump into it. These quick release plates to your gear will make your workflow super smooth. Changing from a gimbal to a tripod or just to handheld is no more an issue because you don't have to rebalance the gimbal. So it looks something like this. Say for instance that I'm shooting handheld and I want to go to a gimbal. This is the Crane 2. I do like this. Pop the camera on, power the gimbal on, and in a couple of seconds we're ready to shoot. See, there we go. Not a problem, right? So if you want to change from the gimbal to a tripod or just handheld, or switch batteries, which was an issue before because I had to rebalance the gimbal, simply power down the crane, take the camera off, switch batteries, put it back on, or put it on some of your other gear, which could be a tripod like this one. Oof, there we go. And we're ready to use it on a tripod. It's a simple solution to a common problem that you will bump into when you're shooting on a set, run and gun shooting, whatever it is. You will find it super annoying that you have to rebalance your gimbal each and every time you take your camera off. So apply a quick release plate to your gear. Will make a huge difference. I have applied these quick release plates to all of my gear, so I set it up once and I don't have to think about it anymore. So that's kind of it. Put quick release plates on all of your gear and you will be shooting in no time. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys back here next time. Thank you.